Okay, this is my third airsoft review, and I'm going to be reviewing the HK MP5. Okay, let's start out. It does have, it doesn't come with the strap, but it does have strap holder things where you can hook the strap in so it's easy to carry around. Let's start out with the cons of this, because otherwise it's a pretty good gun. It's a medium range, a little inaccurate. It's only around 290 FPS. The mag you have to tape around here because then the little door comes open and the BBs fly everywhere. Otherwise it's a pretty good gun. It is, the sights is rotatable. It is electric end spring. This is the spring part. I'll show you here. On. Now you can shoot. So it is semi. It is pump, semi, and also full auto. Let's get straight to the shooting. Okay, there's our box. Safety glasses are on. First I'll do a little spring shooting. The straps in my way of my sights. Now it's a little, and why? There we go. That was pretty loud. Let's do a that was semi-auto. Now it's a little full auto. And there are no BBs coming out. This happens a lot with this gun. This happens so much with this gun, it gets jammed. I see him coming out the other side. Okay, nothing seems to be coming out, so let's check out what the damage we did to that box. Boom. Look at that. That's a hole. That's a big hole. And they were coming out this end also. They're going through that giant hole right there. That's Gigunda. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's about a good amount of BBs in there. Oh, and when BBs fly into something like this, and they get caught, you can recycle them. They do become recyclable. At least if you have the recyclable kind. Okay, let's do our close-up shot. Let's do a side that hasn't been shot yet. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's go full auto. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we're hitting the other side. Okay, so went through here and came out through here. So we have some entry and exit points. And time to wrap it up. HK MP5, great gun, great gun. It's sort of a medium to long range on a warm day that has no wind like this. It's pretty accurate. I was using 12 grams also, not 20s. So that's why it's probably a little less accurate. Pretty good gun overall. I bought it at my local sporting goods store, as most of my guns are bought. And I recommend buying it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you, and bye.